In this video, I will reveal to you something I've been keeping to myself. A platform called PeerBet. Show you a glance of things of how much I've made from this video. So this is my wallet. So far I've made 862, but this is not only the thing I've made from here. Just from my referrals, I earned 2,314. In this PeerBet, you earn king cryptocurrency, you earn king coin. It has been in existence for long, and they have a lot of platforms that you can earn king, which PeerBet is one of them. So in my next video, I'll be showing you another platform where you can earn king. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, like and share this video. Don't forget to watch to the end so that you will not miss any details. So let's continue. This PeerBet, as the name says, PeerBet is a place where you play bet, and the bet is not a bet king and all those things. It's not like that. This one is kind of a yes or no bet. This kind of bet, there are just two possibilities. It's either they win or they lose. It's either you win or you lose. And for staking, you stake with 10 king. Where do you get? You might be asking, where will I get the 10 king I will use and stake? Don't worry, don't bother yourself. This is where you get the 10 king. Just come to this place that is having the logo of the coin king. Then you click on the logo of the coin. Then click on earn king. Earn your loyalty bonus. You can tap to collect 25 king every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes. And you can see here, refer a friend. When you refer a friend, you earn king as well. Now when you suggest a topic with 2,000 king. They are made up to 3,000 king from this. So you can suggest a top 2,000 king. Imagine 100 people playing bet you suggested with 10 king each. All of them are coming to you. About 50,000 people are playing this game. Let me show you. It says tap to collect 25 king. You simply tap here to ask you to play a game. This is how the nature of the game is. Now, we young boys beat FC Zurich by 2 goals. Me looking at this, if I say no, that means I'm saying that they will not beat them by 2 goals. But if they beat them by 1 goal, I'll still win because they did not beat them by 2 goals. Plus, if they beat them from 2 goals upward, I've lose. I'll just decide to say no, and I'll play my king. But if your instinct tells you yes, you can play your yes. So I'll tap to collect my 25 king. Before it does, it will ask me to do some security check. You have earned 25 king. Come back later to earn more. Awesome. Now let me show you something. See, in less than 30 minutes, it will ask me to tap again to collect 25 king. Can you imagine coming here every 30 minutes to collect 25 king? Imagine how many I've played for today, unless I decide to go to the platform to play another one. But that one I've played for today. But you will not see it reflect here immediately until you refresh. Maybe you log out and log in again. Then you will see it refresh. Make sure you follow the steps I listed in this video so that you can earn king as I'm doing. I will drop the link to this platform in the description below. Make sure to use my link to register and click on the subscribe button. It's very important. Like and share to your friends so that they will know as well, so that we can earn king together. Thank you.